Hello, dear all. Today I'm going to start the reading from Libra till Pisces for no contact, and for the rest of the signs, it's going to be uploaded tomorrow. Okay, Libra. This is a reading for Libra people from today till the 21st of April for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. Okay, roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story at all, want to be reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. And if you want to start your self-love journey but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by taking the 30 days self-love challenge course. It's super easy to understand. It will help you become the best version of yourself and raise your vibrations permanently if you do it with all of your heart and soul. So let's start. Libra, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. It's from today till the 20th of April, I guess, not 21st. Sorry, my bad. Let's see. Libra, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you. We have the Ace of Cups, the Page of Wands, the Ten of Swords. Okay. Okay. There's still a lot of emotions. There's no electricity. There's no Wi-Fi. There's nothing here right now at this present moment while I'm making this video. So there will be a lot of background noises as well. So just bear with me for next 3-4 days more. This is someone who definitely have lots of emotions for you. In fact, their emotions are overwhelming. But this is someone who feels like even if they are going to reach out or do something in this direction, it's kind of done an over deal. And they can't change the fact that it is done, kind of. Okay. So there are lots of feelings, overwhelming feelings, but they feel like this is over. This is kind of done, and they can't change the fact that it's done and it's over. And still they feel quite hopeful and positive that the worst is over in the situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? You have the Five of Wands, the Six of Swords, the Eight of Wands. See, this person wants to definitely sort it out with you in some way so that they can move on completely, and so that communication, that closure can help you also to move on completely from this particular cycle that you guys are caught up in right now at this present moment. It's like I don't see this person wanting to reconcile or have a relationship or have a commitment kind of energy in the situation, but this person definitely wants to talk to you about the conflict, the chaos and the mess, and just get a proper closure or give you a proper closure and then move on in your individual lives. This is what their intentions are right now at this present moment. Feelings wise, lots of overwhelming feelings. Intentions wise, giving you a proper closure or getting a proper closure from your side, or maybe for like vice versa. And then let's see if there is any kind of action from this person's side, any kind of potential of any kind of action. We have the Ace of Wands, the World card, and the Fool card. There are very good chances that this person might reach out to you. This reaching out is not going to be something very big or something like I can't live without you, or I want to be with you for the rest of my life or something. This is going to be a casual hi hello kind of a thing, or they are going to be simply in this energy of can we talk, like just something like that. A very casual call or very casual message or communication. It's going to be sudden and out of the blue, and I think intuitively you know that this person is going to reach out. And when you're going to drop the idea of wanting them to reach out, at that time exactly they're going to reach out. See, I do see a very high energy of them wanting to reach out and finally reaching out. But this communication, this reaching out is not going to be something solid, something related to commitment, long-term partnership or marriage kind of a thing as of now. It's going to be just a simple, plain, simple, hi, hello kind of a deal. Let's sort it out. Let's talk to each other, and maybe let's give each other a proper closure and then move on in our respective lives. See, Libra, I do see that there are very good chances of you reaching out to them instead of them reaching out to you. Yeah. And this reaching out is going to be so innocent, so beautiful, so naive. It's going to be like, okay, let me try one more time. Although the intention here, whosoever is going to reach out, the intention here is not to have a full on reconciliation, but definitely to have this energy of, okay, let's talk about this like mature adults, and maybe, let it go with love. That's what I'm seeing here. Doesn't matter who is going to reach out to whom here. The communication matters. There are good chances of opening up the gates of communication between you and this particular person. What are you gonna do after that? That's completely a different chapter and different story for every Libra. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.